Alright, so are you ready to see the cabin that we are glamping at? So this is the cabin at Fort Wilderness at Disney World, and this is super cool. I love it. It's super, super cute. So come on inside. Now one thing I swear that they have Disney magic for is that there's no mosquitoes. So whatever mosquito preventative that they're doing, I wish that they would do it by our house because we always have mosquitoes, right girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the living room area and the kitchen. There's a cute little table here. Do you like it? A little dinette set. And of course the light fixtures are really cute. You have a sitting chair over here, a huge TV, plenty of storage areas here. And this couch actually turns into a bed. So technically I think you're supposed to be able to sleep 6 people in this cabin. So that's pretty neat as well. Alright, the kitchen's pretty cool. It even has a dishwasher, a toaster, a microwave, and a stovetop. They don't have an oven though, but it's still very cute, and a coffee maker and a refrigerator. I guess a lot of people spend a lot of time here, so they'll just bring their own groceries.
I need to live here.
Oh, she's already said that she wants to move here and live here because she has so much fun.
Yes.
She likes it here a lot.
We can just bring our dogs here.
Yeah, and you can bring your pets here. It is a pet-friendly cabin, so that's pretty cool too. And look, there's Bambi in the woods on the picture. So I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, stuff here to hang. And then this, I wonder what was in here, but it's just a little step ladder and a broom.
I thought it was going to be something cooler.
That was going to be something cooler. Alright, the bathroom's really cool. I would recommend though, if you're doing makeup or whatever, bring your own light, because the light is kind of dark in here when you try to do your makeup and stuff. But I think it is super cute. It's set up really nice. Standard bathtub. I like it a lot. And then let's go on to the bedroom.
Woo!
Alright, so here's the bedroom, and the girls already messed up the bed by jumping on it. But here, I think we have more light in here. Oh, there's the light. So you have a big bed here, and then you have bunk beds.
I got this on a
And then there's just this little corner here with the light, so that's kind of nice too. But it's really cute. There's a lot of things to do here, we found out. They have a musical review and dinner. They do the campfires, and they do a movie on the lawn, so they do the movies out in the back. There's the cabins here.
Shade ketchup.
Yeah. So the access to here is there's the cabins, and then if you have an RV or camper, you can bring this here. And they also seen tent camping here too. So this property is huge in the wilderness.
Yeah.
You can either go to the back where they have like a little shop that has like a few grocery items and things like that. And behind there's a marina where you can rent a boat, or you can take the boat to Magic Kingdom or some of the other resorts, or you can also get on the bus and go to the other resorts too. So this is really cute. They have horseback riding, they have fishing here, there's trails for running, and golf carts. I've seen everyone.
Horseback riding, huh?
We decided we're not going to go to the parks. We are going to do some exploring around the resort today. So there's like a few things to go check out. There's other cabins, there's trails, there's like just cool things. There's a little shop and stuff. So we're going to go do that now. Alright, so we are at the Whispering Canyon Cafe at Wilderness Lodge. It is one of my favorite restaurants because it's loud, nobody cares. Alright, Bryris is missing something. Bryris, what do you need?
Ketchup from the other table.
Alright, you better put up ketchup on your last one.
Right? I know. We have 3 boys over there, and I made sure I squared in a good pile. And we are not running back to this. Alright, good.
Alright, as you can tell, we are having a great trip here. The cabins are really cool. They have a woodsy feel, but that's nice because there's air conditioning, and there's a stove, and there's a refrigerator, and everything's really nice in there. It looks like they haven't changed the style of it too much over the years, which is really cool, and it has a nature feel. Remember the Bambi picture inside, which just kind of gives it the little extra kind of thing in the woods. And then I also love the restaurant where we went to. It's the Whispering Canyon. If you ever go, Whispering Canyon Cafe, I believe. Go check it out if you ever go there, because it is a lot of fun. The girls had a great time with it. Especially when it came to ketchup. So order something that has ketchup so you can experience the ketchup bottle frenzy, which is a lot of fun. But I mean, it is a magical place on Earth. It really is. We always have such a great time. So we do have some ideas for some upcoming videos. We want to do some trips together and vlog, and I want to know what you want to see. Do you want to see, like, what do you do, what restaurants we go to, what do we eat, especially with our diets that we're on, because we're gluten, dairy, and egg free for me and the girls. What the weather's like, what's the best time to go? Is it busy during these times or these days? So we are planning on trying to put all that together for you. We like to do some more traveling. Of course, we love Disney, so we'll probably be doing a lot of Disney and a lot of our Florida adventures, because we live in a state where we can go check out some things and be in nature, or just check out some cool attractions. I mean, there's really a lot of things out there that we can see and show you and explore. But reach out to us and tell us what you think you would like to see. We'd really appreciate that.